Hello and welcome to another video. This is WTI crude oil 60-minute chart. Let's see where is our support and where is our resistance this week. Before that, don't forget to like and subscribe. We had last week very strong bearish trend here and all support break last week, and this is our last support here. Can market break this strong support? We don't know. We can't say 100%, but this is very strong support here, 79. And let's see other way. We have a channel here, but it's not good channel. If this channel break from lower line, we will have a strong another bearish trend. But maybe this support here work and we have a bullish market until here. If this support here work, we can have a bullish trend until here. Here we have a 200 Pitchfork. As you can see, this is lower line from this Pitchfork, and this is median line from this Pitchfork. So it's a good support here. Maybe we can have a bullish trend until this median line. And this Pitchfork here, as you can see, this bullish trend, and here and here, and can we have another bullish trend? Okay, let's see lower time frame. As you can see, this is our main bearish trend line here. And this is inner trend line. If this trend line here break, maybe we can have a bullish market until here. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget money management. This is very important. Don't forget like and subscribe.